Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can improve the images of your Facebook ads or even of your emails, so that if you are not completely satisfied with the images that you have, how you can improve them with the AI so you don't have to arrange a new shooting or pay somebody to make these images for you. And this is going to be super useful for you because if you improve your images, you can improve your ROAS and the revenue from your email marketing. You can also use this to improve the product images on your Shopify store. And for all of you guys that are new here, my name is Teodor and I am the owner of Seven Ecom, which is an e-commerce marketing agency, and we help our clients scale with meta ads, conversion rate optimization, and email marketing. So the idea for this video I got when we had to create an email campaign for this product, which is the Road Atlas. And as you can see, the product image is not really that appealing. It's just the static image of the product without anything, and I wanted to find a way how can we improve it to make it even more appealing for that campaign. And what we have done here is that we have added this stand, which I will show you how we have done. And after adding this image with the stand, you can see how much the email campaign just looks way better with that stand on the bottom. It gives that 3D feeling that this book was shot purposely for this campaign, and that way it just helps with more sales and the revenue from the email campaigns. So let's cover how we have achieved that. The tool that we have used for all these examples that I'll be walking you through here is called Adobe Firefly. And when you go to the firefly.adobe.com, this is how the interface looks like. All you have to do is to scroll a bit down and click here on the generative fill. So let's click on it. Now that you are in this page, all you have to do is to upload your original image. So in this example, it is only this book that we have on our product page. So let's do it. Literally drag and drop like this, and you have it. And now what we want to do, like we did in our example, we want to add the stand to it so it looks like a 3D image and it gives that professional look, right? So for that reason, all we have to do is we already have this insert option on the left, which is the blue one selected. We can even increase this brush size a little bit, something like this. And you have to just go through this bottom of the product page like this. And now you have to type in the prompt what do you want to add on this part. So I will add a wooden stand for this book. Click on the generate. Now it will take a bit of time to generate this thing, and there it is. Now of course I cannot replicate the same exact example like I have done here, but you can see how we're getting closer to it. This looks pretty good. I like the first one more. Then you have this one. This also looks pretty nice. It has added this one and another stand on there. You can click even on more and it will generate more and more, all until you are completely satisfied with your image. Now this one is pretty bad. And this one, I really like this one. Let's go with that one. Just click on the keep. And then all you have to do is to click on the download, and you will download this image and you can use it for your ads, for your product page. I think this image would work also very well for the product page on your Shopify store. You can use it for your emails and whatever you want. So yeah, that's a really good thing. Then the next example that we have here, I just wanted to show you how you can add a background to the image, and also you can make your product stand on something. In this example, I have set to stand on the stone, right? So let's do this example, and you can also see how it has added that blur effect behind the product page, so it really looks very well, and it's really hard to notice that it's generated with the AI. So let's do this example. So all you have to do once again is to get on this page, which is the previous one, and drag and drop the product image that you have. And now good thing about the Adobe Firefly is that you can select the select background, and it will automatically remove the background so you can add a different background. So let's do it. All you have to do is to click on the select background, and now you can see how the background is removed. Now you have to do the prompt. You can I will put in set a background as a breathtaking nature view and make the product stand on the stone. Click on the generate. This one is pretty bad. I don't like it. Let's go further. This one is okay, but it just looks kind of like AI generated, right? This one is also bad. Let's go for more. Bad, bad. This one is good, I think. So this one looks pretty nice. I think it satisfies our needs for the purpose of this video. I really like it how it looks like. It looks very similar to the one I have generated. So when you're satisfied with the result that you got, you just click on the keep and you go for the download and you get that image. And after that you can put like headlines on it if you want to go for the Facebook ads or for your campaigns or for the product page or whatever you want. So yeah. And the last example we have here is a person holding this water bottle. You can see in the previous example how this image looked pretty kind of boring, just a white background, and the thing is that the water bottle is white, so it doesn't really stand out. What we have added here is a background of a lake so that it gives that nature look, because this water bottle is for adventure enthusiasts and stuff. So let's do this example. So again, go back to the previous one, then you drag and drop the image that you want. You again go for the select background because we want to change the background. Select the background, make the background a natural view of the lake, whatever. Let's go for the generate. Then we have this one, not completely satisfied. It's okay. This one is better. And this one, I think it really looks nice. I like how it brought that forest in the background, which gives that green colors, right? And we have the lake. So overall, this one is good. You click on the keep and you save this, and then you can use that image for all your marketing materials and increase your returns. So that's it for this video. You can also use Canva for this. It's also a very good tool. I just find that Adobe Firefly works a little bit better than Canva at this point. So this video is more on how you can improve the current images that you have. I will also do a tutorial on how you can create completely new images with the Mid-Journey and stuff, so that you can create completely new images for your Facebook ads, your emails, and all the marketing activities that you want to push. So once again, that's for this one. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you'd like us to help you with growing your e-commerce brand, check the link below, and like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.